Hi guys, welcome back to another Horse Academy video, so let's get started. Okay, so every time you log in you get a free daily wheel thing. I am level 3. I'm trying to get to level 4, so I've got to win 6 races, level up a horse, and win 5 races. So, let's go. So, this is Blizzard, I've still got him. He's still here. I think he's still for sale as well. I'm not sure, just double check. Yeah, I'm asking a lot less for Blizzard now, but seeing as he's not going to get sold, I might just maybe lower it down a bit more. So that, because I don't really need Blizzard. Um, Here is that very great female I bought. And then here's Black Hawk, her son. I was maybe thinking of doing some interactive videos with you guys. So here's his stats. He was only a baby, I didn't do very much, but he's still a little boy, so speed run for him. And let's see if we can race Blizzard before I get rid of him, because I might just donate him to the academy, seeing as no one wants him. So um, thanks JLu for letting me use your little outro thing with the if you like the video thing. So I will be using this at the end of this video, and then guys, just let me know what you think. And then if you go back to one of my Dragon City videos, I put JLu's link into it because she was kind enough to let me use the outro thing. So I thought I would just put a link in here. So thanks Jay again. Um, what else? I'm not so I'm just gonna after this end of this video thing, I'm gonna send him, and I'm just gonna get rid of him because he ain't doing too well. So right, I'm gonna just give him to the academy now. Oh, I've just sold him now. So it says basically your horse has been sold. So he's gone now. Oh, oh well. I'll just get a new horse. I'll get a better horse this time though. So I've got a lot of money now than what I had. I can't remember who I sold though. Oh no, I didn't sell anyone. It was through um going up in price or something. Here's the little videos, and here's JLu's thing. So yeah. So my horse is in second. It's quite fast. God, look at her go. Okay, so she don't really want to give up her second place, but she's running quite low on the stamina bit up there in this bar. But she's in sixth, but she's not long given birth, so that's quite good. Okay, so guys, Blizzard just got sold to, I don't know who it was, but he just got sold. So I think I might just train up this little guy, maybe sell him on, and then no, actually no, I'm gonna just buy a new horse now. But this guy seems quite good. Oh, not her. Catch the Wind. He ain't got any of them, but he's got quite a few talents, so I think I might just buy him. Okay, so I've just bought Catch the Win. He seems quite nice. So let's just train him up, and then I don't know if I should. Right, maybe in the next video I'll get rid of oh, I can get onto it. I think in the next video I might just get rid of Black Hawk because he's he was bred in the stables, but he's not really any use to me. So I was thinking of maybe like selling him on. So I think I'm gonna end this video here. So yeah, thanks guys. Yeah, I'm gonna end this video right here, guys. So yeah.